Ever watched your little one, eyes wide, mesmerized by the world of cars going zoom? Imagine bringing that fascination right into your playroom with the Melissa and Doug Beep, Beep, and Play Activity Center. This isn't just any toy car. It's a cockpit of excitement with a steering wheel, light-up dashboard, and musical engine sounds your toddler will love. It's perfect for enhancing motor skills and sensory development. Plus, it's cuddly. So, why wait? Make your toddler's day wheelie special. Buy now and watch their imagination take flight.